Documenting your journey through photos and videos helps preserve memories and share your experiences with others. Remember, packing cubes can be a lifesaver, keeping your belongings organized and maximizing space in your luggage. They make it easy to find what you need without rummaging through your entire bag, saving you time and hassle. Pack a lightweight scarf or sarong. These versatile items can be used as a head covering, beach blanket, or even a makeshift bag in a pinch. Their multifunctionality makes them an indispensable part of any traveler's kit. Finally, pack a good book, a journal, or download podcasts and music to keep you entertained during downtime or long travel days. These items provide a great way to relax and unwind, making your travel experience more enjoyable. With a well-packed bag and a spirit of adventure, you'll be ready to embrace the open road. Every journey is an opportunity to discover new places, meet new people, and create unforgettable memories. So pack smart and travel with confidence.